Show you highlight 16,000. Look at this. Ta-da-da. Wow. Amazing. So long time ago, Korean traditional biscuit, King's dessert. What is it?
Sugar.
No. This is fermented honey. Yeah, just honey and powdered cornstarch, corn flour. So honey is 3-day boiling and 1 week fermentation. So very hard. Now drill make a hole. So another side, one more hole. Into my hand, stretching little by little. I will make 16,000 strings honey. 16,000 strings honey. More stretching little by little. And honey's 1 double 2, 2 double 4, 4 double 8, 8 double 16, and 32, 16 4, 128, 256, 512. Middle size 1024. Look at this. 짠! 1024 strings honey, but not yet. Keep going. 2048, 4096, 8192. Last count. Finally, 16,000 strings honey. 1, 2, 3. Here. Ta-da-da. Wow. Unbelievable. Amazing. Clap your hands. Obrigado. Thank you so much. And second step here. 자, look at this. Honey is dividing half the honey. 자, one more. Dividing half. One more dividing half. Sure. Just stretching. Show you highlight 16,000. Look at this. Ta-da-da. Wow. Amazing. And cutting. So one more cut. Outside the honey and inside we have no sugar, only nuts. Peanut, almond, sesame, black sesame. Put it in the nuts. Rolling. It's done. Wow. Thank you so much. Clap your hands. Very delicious. Yummy. Nuts, peanut, almond, sesame, black sesame nuts. Rolling. It's done.
지금 모찌 무슨 걸